We'll be programming your TI-84 Plus calculator in finding for the midpoint between 2 points. So this is what we're gonna do. You press program, go to new by using R right, and then create new by pressing enter, and then just write midpoint. So midpoint for the name of our program, and then you hit enter. And then after that, you press program again, and then R right, and then find the prompt, which is number 2. You press that, enter, and then just type x here, and then comma, then alpha y, then comma, alpha a, alpha b. Okay, so do not forget to do comma first here, and then alpha b, and then hit enter. And then after that, you would go open parenthesis, then x here plus a, so alpha a, and then you close it, and then divide it by 2, and then click store, then write that as the value of your u, so alpha u. Okay, so let's see, I'm gonna use u. Here's my ux, u. Okay, then hit enter. And then next is open parenthesis for the y sub 2, midpoint of the y sub 2. So you have y, so alpha y here plus alpha b, and then you close it and then divide by 2, and then we're gonna store it as the answer for v. So store, and then v, alpha v. After that, enter. And then you'd go to program, display your answer by going right, and then number 3, enter that one. And then you press second shift lock, and then quotation mark, and then mid, just type the word mid, m, midpoint for x, m-i-d, and then 0 for a space, and then x here, I can use this x here, and then this column, and then apostrophe, this sign symbol here, and then just click it back, and then a comma, and then alpha u. Okay, and then enter that one, and then we're gonna go back to program again, and I over O, and then go down to display. You enter that one. We want to find the midpoint of your y, so second shift a lock, and then this quotation mark, and then just write the word midpoint of the y, so m-i-d. Okay, and then space for your y, so y is here, and then colon, oh my gosh, that is this symbol, I always forget that symbol. Okay, and then press that one here to go back to comma, and then alpha v, that one, and then just hit enter. So we are now going to use this formula or this program to find for the midpoint of between 2 points. So I'll just hit second shift mode, and then to use that program, I'm gonna go program, and then execute the program, and then just hit enter. So let's say, for example, your x value is 2, and then 2 is for your y, and then for your x sub 2 is 2, let's use 2, and then y sub 2 is 2. So therefore, the midpoint is for the x, that's 2, for the y, that's 2. Well, obviously, that's correct, because 2 plus 2 is 4, divided by 2 is 2, and then y sub 1 plus y sub 2 is 2, divided by 2 is 2. Okay, another example, let's do different numbers. So let's say execute that, and then enter that. So your x sub 1 is 6, enter, and then your y sub 1 is also 6, and then your x sub 2 is 4, and then y sub 2 is 4. So enter that one. So we all know that it's 5s. It makes sense because we have here 6 plus 4 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. And then 6 plus 4 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. And that's all for today.